So Steffan, this is the the Toyota bZ4XT 42069 R2D2, so whatever that thing is, the one that they're all recalled right now.
The wheels were falling off?
The wheels were falling off, yeah,
yes.
just like the Bentleys did back in the 2010s. And I want you to sit inside it, because this is something that Andrew and I noticed. So go ahead and sit inside here. I'll walk you through kind of my thought process here. Okay, I know you can't adjust the seat, but, or maybe you can adjust the seat. No, it's manual, so adjust the seat, okay? And I want you to feel out, okay, and adjust the steering wheel to your liking. Now look forward at that gauge cluster. Tell me what you see, and I'll tell you what I was experiencing.
I'm missing about the lower third of it, basically.
Same here, same here. No matter what the steering wheel position was, I could not see the gauge cluster.
If I have the steering wheel all the way down
then
here,
you can see above it.
And I can't really get my knee under this. This is...
For me, the only way I was going to be able to actually use the gauge cluster was to have the steering wheel all the way down so that I'd be able to actually see over the steering wheel at the gauge cluster. It is an absolute ergonomic nightmare, and we're not even going to talk about how cheap this material is right here.
This is carpet.
Yes.
They put carpet on the dash of their car.
It's matching carpet to your seat.
This is not good.
It is not good.
Glossy, disgusting plastic everywhere.
Yes.
The touchscreen's badly integrated into the dash.
But it's mostly this. This drives me crazy. I cannot stand this.
That is so stupid. So stupid.
So there is the Toyota bZ4XT, I think is officially what it's called. It sounds like the name of Elon's child.
And if it's not already, we have an idea for his next kid's
child,
name.
Yeah.